In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit the lead status in HubSpot CRM. We'll walk through each step together, ensuring you feel confident managing your leads effectively. Let's dive right in. To get started, you'll first need to open HubSpot CRM. Make sure you're logged in with your account credentials to access all the features you'll need. Once you're in, the first place you want to head to is the trial guide. This might sound a little confusing, but it's actually quite handy. The trial guide is where you'll find all the essential resources to get your form building process off the ground. Having a solid foundation here will ensure you're well prepared for managing your CRM tasks and workflows efficiently. Next, direct your attention to the homepage. This is your central hub within HubSpot, where you can navigate to various sections. From here, the key area we'll focus on initially is the settings. Give it a click, and this will open up a world of customization options for your CRM experience. Once you're in settings, look for the section labeled Properties. This is crucial because properties are where you manage and customize your CRM data fields, including those related to your leads. Now, you'll want to make use of the search bar, type lead status into the bar. This search function is especially useful as it quickly narrows down the extensive list of properties, getting you straight to what you're looking for without any unnecessary scrolling or distractions. With lead status displayed, go ahead and click to open it. This is where you have the opportunity to tweak and customize the information tied to your leads. You might find it helpful to add property details here, depending on how you want to track and manage your leads within your CRM. This customization can enhance your team's understanding of where each lead stands in your sales pipeline and what actions might be needed next. Once you're satisfied with the adjustments and any additional details you've entered, don't forget to hit save. This ensures all your hard work and refinements are securely stored in your CRM. Remember, saving your settings is a crucial step as it locks in your changes and avoids the risk of losing your customizations. And there you have it. You've successfully edited the lead status in HubSpot CRM. With these steps, you now have the tools to manage your lead tracking more effectively, enhancing your workflow and potentially increasing your conversion rates. Thanks for tuning in, and if you found this guide helpful, make sure to subscribe for more insightful tutorials. We'll see you in the next video.